Today I will show you how to download the NPC Studio Mod on Minecraft. First of all, you go into this website that I linked in the description. You search NPC Studio. You press on this one and you go to versions. Then you click the top here. It's the most updated one. And you see down here is 3 mods that is optional or required to the NPC Studio. But first off, you press on this download button here and you press keep. Then we'll go into all of the free mods here and download. Go to Fabric and press version. And we take this game version right here. We will take the same game version on all that we download. We press the newest one, download. We'll take Iris Shader. Then we go to versions. Here we take Fabric. And we take the same version again here. Take the newest one. And here we go into Sodium. Just follow the steps I do. Sodium we need for the Iris Shader. We press on download too. It will keep. And then we go to this shader here. We press on download. Now we go to a new search bar. We go into Fabric's website and we press download. I will link this down in the description too. Just download everything I do and it will work fine for you. Now after everything is downloaded, you go into Fabric installer and we will take the same version again and press install. Okay. You can close this window. Now we go into Minecraft launcher. And down here we see it says Fabric. So we're gonna go to installations here and press this Fabric folder. Open it, and then we're gonna go to mods. And here we will paste all of our downloaded mods we just did. Copy these mods. Take them in here. I have one more here. It should be empty for you probably. I just delete this one so it looks good. Here is everything we need in this mod folder. Now we just have this shader pack left, but this we will install in Minecraft when we have opened it. So press play and make sure it says Fabric down here and press play. I understand the risk. Play. Now we're in Minecraft. Go to options, video settings, and go to shader pack. Here we will press open shader pack folder and we will go to download. And we will copy this one and go back, press it into the shader pack folder, paste it here. Now we see a new popped up right there. We press apply if you want to apply this to Minecraft. Then we press done. And now we can go into the world. If it's black screen for you, it's because of the shader. And if you want to turn off the shader, I'll show you. We go do the same. Press shader, disable, done. Just like that. And when we're in here, we can press on this page button and take all the NPC Studio tools. You right click on the floor if you want your mob or your NPC to spawn. If you want a full video on how to use this NPC Studio, I will link a video down in the description. It's a very fun mod to use and it will probably help you for your thumbnails. Check the video down in the description if you want to know how to use this.